What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you this 2-pack of toner cartridges by TOKYOINK. In full disclosure, I did get these for free to do this video. It's not going to affect anything I say. Let's get right to it. So first thing, very important to check, is the compatibility. It does say on the sticker right here, and it should on the product page as well, for use with Brother printers and then all these different models. I have my Brother printer here, and they have the model number right on the top, nice and easy there. So this is the HLL2350DW. So you try to find compatibility here. HLL2350DW right there. So, and then on this printer, it also has like what toner cartridges are compatible as well. So TN760 is actually what this one is. Once you've confirmed compatibility, let's open this up, check it out. All right, so in the box, we have 2 toner cartridges. I'm gonna leave this one just wrapped up and set it aside here. Here is the other one. Then we have these laser toner cartridge instructions. And the one thing to check with these is whether you have a 1-line LCD printer or a 2-line, basically meaning what the screen looks like. So here's like the 1 line. This one has 2 lines, or this one's a touch screen. And then they've got the different models there. So mine, once again, is that Brother HL2350DW. So I would follow these instructions if I did want to reset the toner cartridge. You should just need to do this if it's displaying an error or giving you some kind of issue, but actually replacing the cartridge is really easy. I'll show you that real quick. On my printer, there's these little tabs on the side right here. So you can pull that on each side and this will open. This green little handle here will pull out the entire kind of template holder that holds the toner cartridge. And then there's this little tab right here that will let it out. Push this tab, and then your previous toner cartridge will come right out. And then with the new cartridge, I made sure to just set it this way with the sticker up. This is what it looks like on the bottom. And then this is just a protective tab, so you can pull that right off. And then we want to place that in just like the other one was. And you can kind of push it down so this tab locks in. You just slide this whole piece right back in, close it up, and that's it. So I'm just gonna print a sample page here of just a demo resume to show you the quality and sharpness that this can print just right out of the box, installed into your printer. I didn't even have to follow those instructions and reset it. I'm not having any error issues or anything. So here's the sharpness. This is printing right away. So I'm really impressed with this. The price is very affordable. One of my favorite things, these toner cartridges can last up to 3,000 pages. So hopefully in this video, you learned a little bit more about these TOKYOINK toner cartridges, how to install them, and kind of the quality you get from them and what to expect. So that's all for now. Catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.